Hey, it's your health and wellness coach Marisha of Embody Fitness checking in, and today's video has been brought to you by NSV, aka Non-Scale Victory. What's a non-scale victory? It's an accomplishment that you achieve without having to step foot on a scale. It's important that you acknowledge these accomplishments in your journey to transition into being a better you. If you've never done this, it's okay, you got time. You can start tomorrow. Until then, I'm going to share with you top 4 ways off top that I acknowledge my non-scale victories, and maybe you have similarities if you've already been doing this. One is having self-control and resisting all types of food cravings that I am trying not to have in the moment. 2 is fitting into something I haven't for years. 3 is speaking positive to myself and about myself. 4 is accepting compliments. Are these familiar to you? Let me know. Until next time, I will talk to you soon. Peace.